If you want to maintain your privacy while using Pandora, hiding your online status is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the Pandora app. Launch the Pandora app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. Look for the Settings option in the menu that appears. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Within the account settings, scroll down until you find the Privacy Settings section. This is where you can manage who can see your activity on Pandora. Step 4. Adjust online status. In the privacy settings, look for an option related to your online status or activity visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes you made. Exit the settings and return to your main screen to continue enjoying Pandora without worrying about your visibility. By following these steps, you can easily hide your online status on Pandora and enjoy a more private listening experience.